Hi, Joe. First of all, I would like to apologize you because I'm really having problems uh, doing that MP3. As a matter of fact, I've been downloading everything and everything just shut down. So I would like to apologize you for that. But I think a video is is a better one because you can see me. You can see me right now. Excuse me. It's not only you are listening to me, but at the same time, you can see me the way I project myself to you. Okay. Now let me go straight to the point. Talking about $6 per hour. Well, the job is really, not easy. I was working as a marketing manager in Vasquez Madrigal. I think you have seen that. But anyway, since this is my first time in Odes, I want to give it a try. Not only a try, but I also desire to work with you. And I hope that this will be an ongoing, not only for 6 months, but rather it will be an ongoing as long as there is challenge. Okay, let's get straight to the point again. Excuse me. So you mentioned you gave me a time frame for me to answer you about several questions. So why should I hire you? So that was your first question. Well, the reason you should hire me because first and foremost you have seen in my portfolio there are various feasibility studies I made with different industries. And that is not easy because in the first place when you make a feasibility study, of course, that is a marketing plan, but at the same time you include events, you include promotional activities. To make the story short, there are a lot of activities that you need to create, and most of all, you need to create a target market. But beyond or going farther or deeper from creating a target market, you need to have the return of investment projected in your mind. So you need to put in your mind how much will you be earning and how much will you be spending. But the most important or crucial part is that you are projecting how much will be your economic return or ROI, return of investment. If this is the amount that you will be spending, then how much you will be gaining from it. That's the most crucial. And if you will see to some of my experiences, I've been doing a lot of things. I do some competitive analysis. I do a lot of research. I even created my own marketing firm, my own personal home-based website with all those designs and videos. And I think you have just seen those. That link or my email. I'm sorry, my website website's address. So you can just browse there and check there how I did it. Although it doesn't have a domain, but the most important thing is that the attractivity of the website as well as the content that I just created. And the second question is what makes you different or better? What makes me different or better is first and foremost I have the business acumen. Why? Because in the first place, I am not only a marketer or shall we say a marketing manager because that was my experience, but rather I am an entrepreneur. Why do I say that? Because way back from my Chinese mother, I was born in a business family. So you won't believe me, at the age of 16, I'm already a manager because my parents handles several businesses and I was the one in charge taking care and manage all those people, and at the same time I was the one setting up the targets of the business in the absence of my parents. So this gave me a strong foundation in how I become today. And right now I am already a giant marketer. I'm a giant businessman. giant in the sense, not physically, but giants in the sense of how creative I am to capture business in just a matter of a glimpse. So it's just a matter of creating a concept. I could easily create a concept and capture a business. And that is not only limited to one business, but I am referring to various industries because I've been working to various industries. So in other words, it gives me a wider range of innovation. So what do I mean by that? It makes me a lot more innovative in the sense that I could easily innovate things or even innovate products. And as a matter of fact, I innovate products. Just like when I was working with Vasquez Madrigal group of companies, I was able to create two products. The first product is the interment plans. Interment plans, to make it short, when a person dies, you don't have to look for a lot to buy, but rather you just have to pay around $6 or $5 a month. And what happens to you? You will have that lot. And that lot worth around, if I'm not mistaken, $2,000. $2,000 to $10,000. Now, if you only pay around $5 a month, it will be considered due, whatever the thing will happen to you. So those were the benefits that I created in order to sell to the public. And that's one of my biggest accomplishments. And not only that, I'm also good in joint venture because there is one big group of realty who are selling plans and we are selling lots. So I told them we will be joining or we'll be having this joint venture, but we are not joining our company. We are only be joining based on the marketing criteria. In other words, it's like a combo meal. Okay? I sell the lot, you sell the plan. If something happens to that person, he will have the lot, then you will be the one to provide the plan. So it's a joint venture. So not only that, there are a lot of things because I'm killing time here. If you will let me talk more here, we will not end up in 1 hour, but maybe more than 1 hour. But I'd rather answer first all your questions so that you will be gaining more understanding about myself. Okay? Now, let us see what type of work would you like to do with me? Well, personally, I want to do some sales and marketing. I want to do some business plan or whatever thing that profits you. Let's do whatever thing that profits you. Whatever thing that we can target that will create a profit. So one way here is for me to make a marketing research, trying to target some group of people who has a desire, or let's say for example they want to buy some DVD, or they want to buy some chemicals or whatsoever. So now I am now talking about business development. So in this case, we have to check also our competitors, how they're working, so that we'll be able to gain their style and technique, and then we will come up into our own innovation. So that's how I'm intending to work with you. So don't worry, Joe. There are a lot of things that we can do. As a matter of fact, you can read my marketing plans, the proposal that I have to open an Australian account. Australian account is why should they in Australia hire marketer or telemarketer on the ground that they have to pay huge in terms of insurance, in terms of so many things, and that would only be one person. But they will only be paying us $12 per hour. Then we will going to give them a team which comprises of 10 outbound experts And not only that, we'll also be giving them one project manager to help them in their marketing. So they don't need to hire any marketing manager or whatsoever who will manage the business. And not only that, we also have our quality assurance specialist. It is all in writing. Okay, you can just read it there. So we have so many things to do. Okay, I just cannot fathom what to say right now because there are a lot of them right now in my mind. Okay, so that's what I want to do to you. Just tell me what to do, and I'll do it for you. Okay, and how many hours or week can you work for me? To be honest with you, I want to work with you for about 7 hours a day because I don't want employment anymore. I am presently employed in IBM. IBM is one of the market leader, and I'm one of the specialists in the international calling. I mean, my account is Sprint, and I'm the one innovating all those solutions in terms of activation, troubleshooting, everything. But the bottom line is upselling. So I want to resign with this company and I want to make a concentration to work with you for 7 hours a day. And if that is okay for you. Or we can make it 8 hours or even more. Whatever it takes. Okay? And now what are other questions? So I just want to expound about the thing that you asked me earlier. How how do you want me to work with you? Well, first and foremost, when it talks about marketing, marketing is the job of everything. So first and foremost, I want to make some marketing research, want to do some competitor analysis, I want to do some industry statistics, and not only that, I want to compare businesses to businesses, and then try to grab what product are very saleable. And what product are very saleable. Not only that, we will also have to grab what particular market are we targeting. So if we are targeting, let's say, for example, um, call center or outsourcing industry, now we have to create a concrete proposal. I'm talking about outbound. A concrete proposal wherein their market in UK, in USA, in Australia, or any parts of the West are very expensive, so to speak. So in this case, this is the time for us to attack. I mean, I'm sorry for the term that I'm using, but what I'm trying to say is that this is the time for us to create a proposal that will give them 50% less or even lower than 50%. So that instead of them getting workers out there in their country or in their vicinity or in their place, they will rather go to us. And as a matter of fact, here in the Philippines, the outsourcing industry is like a mushroom. There are a lot of outsourcing industry in the Philippines right now because all the businesses from United Kingdom or Great Britain, United States, Australia, they were all being outsourced here in the Philippines because of cheap labor. So that's what I'm trying to show you, a picture of how these people are gaining. On the other hand, my other proposal is that we have to create some media strategy. We have to have some creative marketing ideas in how to target China. We can use Japan, like for example, we can introduce a product that that is